Kaspa is taking over Africa. You heard that right, Caspians. Kaspa is taking over Africa. I saw in my comment section that people are saying, will Kaspa ever see mass adoption? Well, here's a start. We have a Kaspa ambassador presenting at the Digital Asset Summit in Abuja, Africa. Belmar, Kaspa ambassador in Nigeria, and they have different activities that are planned, guys. This is very awesome to see. The African community is cheering you on this upcoming event. Here's the representing Kaspa at the official cyber and digital asset event, September 6th to September 7th in Abuja, right? Explore the future of digital finance. Event details at this link. So they have a digital asset summit talking about blockchain, block crypto. We have a Kaspa ambassador there making noise to represent Kas and explain what is happening in Kas, man. No team. No team, man. What is the word? No CEO of the project, man. And this is all being done through the community. This is absolutely amazing to see. 3 days left for it. And why you should join the event. They're networking, support, discover, engage. They're diving into a collective effort is all we need to keep the Web3 ecosystem thriving. CBAN is a part of the National Blockchain Policy Steering Community. Want to ensure that we get the necessary engagement needed to bring clarity to shaping the near future of the industry. My apologies. Let me zoom in so you guys can see that. This event is going to be about that level of engagement from policymakers to industry stakeholders. Be a part of the process that shapes the future of the blockchain industry. And then right here, we have people, access to global partners, investors, joint industry leaders, expert policymakers, regulators, investors, and enthusiasts as we explore the exciting world of digital assets. Keynote speakers right here. Become a speaker, right? And we have a Kaspa ambassador representing at this event. Kaspa soon will be going worldwide, guys. Kaspa soon will be going worldwide. They got YouTube videos as well. Meet our speakers presenting. Very interesting stuff, man. Let me mute this. And they have a speech about it as well. Crypto is going to take over the world, man. The old financial system will be a thing of the past, right? The old financial system will be a thing of the past. And projects as innovative as Kaspa will become second nature to everyone. They'll be used in your day-to-day life, man. From, anytime your transaction with what we consider money, the previous fiat money will be replaced, and projects like Kaspa will be used in its place, man. CoinNex is a partner of this event. CoinNex is one of the bigger exchanges, right? Right here, from High Five Radio, Kaspa event Kampala happened today at Sharon Hotel. High Five Radio was proudly associated. Thanks for coming through. And that right here we have people. Look at this, man, with the Caspian shirts and hats. Decentralization, scalability, easy to use. And people are educating themselves, man, because before you know it, it's going to get to a point in time where, I'm telling you guys, crypto, block technology, us using crypto in our day-to-day lives is just going to be just regular. It's just going to be a normal thing. It won't even feel like it's separate anymore, right? Steven says this is great. Kaspa Night. Bank the unbanked. Phoenix. Great. This is absolutely great stuff, man. Great to see. Kaspa Africa. Somewhere Uganda, Kas is gaining more traction. High Five Radio. Right? This is some bullish stuff right here. This is great, man. Caspians, y'all gotta let me know what you feel about it, man. Kaspa going worldwide. We going worldwide, man. From Karen, this is Kas. We are Kaspa. Let's get going. We'll be in the top 10 soon. Strap your seatbelts on for the ride. We got a full ride up right here. 8 hearts for that now. 9 hearts. So what makes DAG Night so exciting? Simply put, it is the perfect can't toss around the word perfect often, man. You really can't, right? Because nothing is perfect. But look right here, man. We tossing out that word perfect. Simply put, it is a perfect proof of work based consensus algorithm. It satisfies all points in the desiderata. Recall that huge advantage of GhostDAG over all other proof of work algorithms is that it removes the security constraints on throughput. In all other texts, increasing the block rate directly increases orphan rates, whereby killing the security. Proof of stake. Proof of stake. I ain't really messing with proof of stake as much anymore, man. Some texts allow sharding the network and then increasing the number of shards while retaining slow block rates on each separate shard, whereby increasing the block rate but retaining slow confirmation times as well. Many other issues consequential to sharding, such as load balancing and data availability issues. However, they still do not allow increasing the block rate in each shard. GhostDAG is the first proof of work to allow reducing block rates on a non-sharded network, which is the reason it can achieve unprecedented confirmation times and never sacrifice security like these proof of stake projects be sacrificing security, man. With the miners in Kaspa securing the network, you ain't gotta worry about no crazy downtime or hacks or, you know, something going wrong to the network, just like Bitcoin. However, GhostDAG is still limited in the sense that it is non-responsive to network latency. That is, we still need to hardwire an upper bound on network latency, which can assume holds 95% of the time, and the rest of the properties of the network, in particular confirmation times, are derived from this bound. This means that the performance does not improve as latency improves, and worse, the security is compromised if the network latency deteriorates. This is true for all existing proof of work algorithms, with the only exception being Spectre, all created by who? The founder of Cas, Jonathan Sampolimsky and Aviv Zohar, another algorithm conceived by HashDAG, which he once described to me as his most beautiful creation. However, Spectre has a different flaw. It does not provide a linear ordering, and blocks can switch places long after they were confirmed, though they never in a way which invalidates transactions. This is fine for a distributed ledger, but abysmal for smart contracts, which is why it was decided that Cas would implement GhostDAG and not Spectre. And now we have the newest technology, which makes Kaspa the king of DAG. All them other DAGs ain't really saying much. All them other proof of work projects, they ain't really saying much. All them other layer ones, they ain't really saying much. I'm telling you. And now we have DAG Knight, which achieves both. And this is first consensus protocol to have it all. Remember, covered it in previous videos. Ghost, Spectre, all used in Ethereum, Filecoin, all these other projects. Monero, those are all technologies created by Jonathan and Aviv Zohar. Now we have DAG Knight, the newest technology, which will more than likely replace blockchain. I'm gonna have to change my name to Block DAG Daily because blockchain may not exist anymore, man. Nakamoto consensus security independent of block rates like GhostDAG and Spectre, rapidly convergent linear ordering like GhostDAG, responsiveness to actual network latency like Spectre. Simply put, it is a proof of work consensus algorithm which has no speed limitations beyond hardware, suitable for smart contracts, and scales itself as network latency is improved. Man, I should have been doing my research on Cas super early, man. I saw it when it was only listed on TXBit that went down, man. I saw it super. Oh my gosh. I wish I had a bigger bag, man, but it is what it is. Got something. We going into the bull cycle ready, man. This is true. The epitome of what proof of work can be and should make proof of work proponents very exciting. And a bonus feature is that the combinatorial similarities of GhostDAG and DAG Knight make it that many of the utilities required to implement DAG Knight are already present in Kaspa. All of the required utilities to implement DAG Knight are already present in Kaspa. Guys, don't fade technology. I know we, meme coins are fun. I know all of these, there's so many projects trying to accomplish something, but don't fade technology like this from creators, founders who, have been around in this space and, have their, fingerprints all over these, successful projects that we've seen. Even the second biggest project in the space, Ethereum, the founder of Kaspa has his fingerprints all over the documentation of the first iterations of Ethereum, man. If that isn't something y'all find bullish, I don't know what is, man. I really don't. And to close out the video, Kaspa right now sitting at 349 cent, $750 million in market cap, $8.5 million in 24-hour trade volume from the chart, man. As we could see from TradingView, Kaspa hit that support level once again. It's making a move up. September is typically bearish, man, so we may just stay in this range. Hopefully we continue on the trend line that we have for Kaspa and break this resistance at 36 cent and then continue up further. Now a lot of people are speculating we could drop back down to 3 cent, but it's we'll see what happens. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Africa, Kaspa taking over Africa. Huge stuff, man. Kaspa taking over Africa. Come on, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends and family. Tune into the live streams, become a channel member, support with a super thanks in the comment section. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.